Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, guys. So we'll be doing on chapter 6, a bit on trust structures actually from the past paper that I sent you guys, 2019 and 2020 sem 1. Okay, so the first question actually asks us to identify the zero force members of the trust shown in figure 4. Okay, so if you recall, actually zero force members are members there is no force acting upon them. Okay, there is no force acting upon them. Acting upon them. And there is only two conditions for a zero force member to be satisfied. So the first condition is, for example, you have two trusses. Okay, let's say they're non-linear. Okay, and they're probably connected to something else, whatever. Okay, and okay. So these two trusses, if they are, for example, non-linear, and there is no support reaction or forces in this region, that means the two trusses which I've highlighted in red are what we call as zero force members. Okay, zero force member. Okay, so this one condition for zero force member. Another condition for zero force member is, for example, let's say you have three truss members. Okay, two of them is collinear and one of them is not collinear at all. Okay, so in this case, the third member would be considered as a zero force member actually. So by the way, since you have known the rules already for zero force members, so we're gonna solve now question A, where they ask us to identify the zero force member shown in figure 4. It's actually very clear because you can see that DC, okay, and CB are zero force members since they are non-collinear, and at point C there is no support reaction whatsoever. So you can in fact eliminate the diagram and say that DC and BC are zero force members. Okay, are zero force members. Okay, zero force members since they are non-collinear. Alright, non-collinear means they don't lie on the same line. That's the meaning of non-collinear actually. Okay, and there is no force or support reaction. Let's see, there is no force or support reaction at C. Okay, so there you go. That's your easy 5 marks actually. Very free 5 marks they give you right here. Now we go to part B, where they ask you to calculate the reaction forces at point A and G. Okay, actually they didn't mean G, I think they meant E. Typoed the question as shown in figure 5. So ask figure 5. I think they meant to say figure 4 actually, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, sorry. I think part B is for a different question, which I'll actually explain later how to get part B later on. Whoops. But yeah, that's about it actually. That's how you determine the zero force member. It's very straightforward actually, and very easy a way to do it.